feel it in the elves. I feel it in water. I smell it in the earth. Remember the air. It began with the forging of the great beings. 3 were given to the dwarf lords, craft, but they were all of them deceived, for another being was made. In the land of Mordor, in the fires of Mordor, the Dark Lord Underhill forged in secret a master being to control all Hobbits. And into this ring he poured his cruelty, his malice, and his will to dominate all Hobbits. One ring to rule Hobbits. One by one, the free lands of Middle-earth fell to the power of Mr. Underhill. But there was Hobbits who resisted. A last alliance of Baggins and marched against the armies of Mr. Underhill. And on the slopes of Mordor, they fought for the freedom of the Shire. Victory was near. It was in this moment, when all hope had faded, that the son of the king took up his father's sword. Middle-earth was defeated. The ring passed to who had this one chance to destroy Middle-earth forever. But the hearts of Hobbits are easily corrupted. It betrayed Isildur to his death.